Wow. This is terrible news. Very terrible.
This is what we are passing through right now. I had to run to my mother with my son.
I'm so sorry. I never knew you and your husband has been in the village ever since.
Well, we have. The thing is, this was the same mistake he made in the city that made them transfer him to the village station. And now, we are just here managing ourselves. Then this one happened again.
Man, this is big. But not that big for me, Benson. Okay, the truth is this shouldn't be much of a problem, okay? All you and your husband need right now is a good lawyer. Funny enough, I have Love's son in my payroll. Yeah, that's true. So you have nothing to worry about. I got this.
Wow, thank you so much. Thank you.
You're welcome. So what I will do is I'm meant to maybe put a call to him right now so we'll go see him because he lives not too far from my house. We stay in the same neighborhood, but it's already late, okay? So I think I'll call him tonight, then in the morning tomorrow, we could both go see him together. What do you think?
Really? You will do this for me?
Yes, so he can start on the case.
Thank you so much, Benson.
You're welcome.
But, hey. Hi. Hey. You know, getting a senior advocate in Nigeria is no easy task. Oh. They are very expensive.
Yeah, yeah, that's true. But like I said before, I've got so much money, enough money to spend, okay? So don't worry about that. All you need to do is just get yourself ready. Tomorrow morning we'll move. I'll take you to go see him, okay?
Really?
But like I said, I'll put a call to him tonight.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I appreciate you. Thank you. I'll just call my husband now, and I'll tell him. Then I'll also just drop my baby with my mother.
Don't do that. Come on. Your baby. There's no point calling your husband or even allowing your mom to know about it. Listen, stuff like this, you make it come as a surprise to your mom and your husband. Okay, we look like you're just coming back home holding your husband and his son by your side. And your mother will be asking you, how come? What happened? How did you do it? Just imagine yourself going to the station with his son. Your husband will be also surprised like, baby, what's going on? Okay, how do you feel though now you get to know that I'm the one helping you, your ex? Come on, I don't think your husband will be comfortable with it, and that might not help his case in any way. So just keep it on the low, don't tell them, okay? Let's shock them, let's bring it up as a surprise. Your husband will just see you in the station. What's happening? Seeing you with the son, you know what I mean? Something huge, it's big. So let's make the case easier for him. Okay?
You're right. Yeah. You're very right. I'll tell them that one of my friends wants to help me.
Exactly. That's it.
Thank you so much.
So what you need to do is just prepare your mind, okay? Prepare yourself. So first thing tomorrow morning, I'll pick you up, then we'll go.
So I'll just rush home now so I can make plans against tomorrow.
All right, tomorrow morning, okay?
Yes, thank you. Hey, Benson!
What is it?
Sorry. The thing is, hey, tomorrow morning, do I come to your house or meet you by the road?
Oh, my mom's with her condition, right? Is that it?
You know, yes, the thing is, I don't know, you know, I don't know if you would like to see me. And besides, you know, I don't really like to see her. I'm sorry.
You don't have to be sorry, I understand. Fine, I'll pick you tomorrow morning, yeah, I'll pick you up. It's okay.
Okay. Thank you. Tomorrow, eh?
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. I'll rush now. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, eh?
I must retaliate at all costs. Unforgiveness, evil spirit has taken over. No pity at all. No pity, my conscience.
Theophilus, the reason we called you out here and to speak to you as elders we are. What happened to you actually today is a very tragic incident, which no one will pray for to experience. But then, there's no way the thing will look like eyes will not look at it. It's not easy for one to wake up with his son one morning like this, and before he goes to bed, again, the child is already lowered in the grave. We know that. But at the same time, we want to tell you that all hope is not lost. Tio?
Chai. Oh.
Tio, the reason why we're talking to you like this is to console you, so you can be strong for your wife. She's going off, you know, and she won't be able to survive it if she sees you crying like this, Tio.
So, I should let Eric go scot-free. I should let Eric go scot-free. Tell me. I will never let that happen. I would never.
Nothing like that, young man. What do you mean letting him go scot-free? Eric is already in police net. All we want to do now is to go there and make sure that he is actually in the cell. Remember, he will go to court from there and possibly move to jail. But that is not going to be easy for him and his family. Or do you want to also kill his son? Which I'm not in support. I cannot support that. Eh? Biko.
Tio, Ikedi here is right. We will fight for you. Eh? The death of a child, of a son, is painful, I know. I equally lost my son like this. Hit by a bus driver. Eh? But what could I do? He paid for it, I know. But I did not kill him. Biko, we will fight for you. All you need to do now is to be strong for the sake of your wife. Another thing, Tio. You have to take her to the hospital. She's not okay. And she may be worse before tomorrow. She needs to get to the hospital. Yes.
I'll take her there. But wow, Eric.
Be a man. You be a man.
Do I look like a woman, Ichie? Tell me. Do I look like a woman? It's okay. I think you overstayed your welcome. You can go. People can go. You can go.
Excuse me. Let me handle. She's going through a lot. I understand.
It's a pity what a beanstalk could have solved has written more harm and bloodshed. You
don't like it?
You
like it.
You are destroying.
You like it, Topia?
Yes.
Grandma can cook. I told you. You said you met a friend that will help you with the lawyer.
Yes, Mama. I just pray that the barrister does not call too much money for us.
No problem. When you go and see your husband, you know what you can do.
Hey, my husband does not have any money right now. If he goes to jail, I will suffer. And you know I cannot go back to that village. I can't go back there again.
So what do you want me to do?
Mama, you have to be my helper. You have to help me. I will also call Osi and Uche to see how they can assist. Hey, Mama, what about the rent from the house at Saple?
Which rent?
From our house now in Saple.
Our house? As no one agrees with you, you're my co-wife. You see that house rent, I use in surviving. In keeping my body and soul together. I cannot bring it. That is what I use in surviving. Although possible. Your brother's wives has refused them to look after me or send me money. And you want me to provide the little I have to save your husband. If you're hoping on that money, what will begin here? It is not possible. I warned you not to marry that boy, that police officer. Marry the one from our village. What was that his name? Manage Olaju. Because your father was a police officer. You now married the police officer.
Mama, can you stop?
Can I stop what?
Can you just stop? Can we not just go there? And what's this now? If you don't want to help, no worries. Just say, I don't want to help. It's as simple as ABC. And nobody will kill you. I will call Uche and Osi to see what they can do for me.
You shouldn't have asked in the first place. So, how can I have 3 children, 2 boys, 1 girl? They all married, rubbish husband and wives. No one is taking care of me. No, they ask him, which house rent do you want me to provide? Well, I should provide my next time. It will not work. I don't understand what you're saying. So I should just provide the money that I'm using to. When you were married, your husband, both of you, have you ever come together, send money to your mother? Mama, I sent you 5,000 for your upkeep.
Mama,
have you ever done that?
Not giving you
You've
money.
not giving me because if you have given me, I
Mama,
won't
it's
say
not Junior said. That's why I don't want to answer you. Please stop it.
Answer me. It's not my money. Answer me. If you don't have money to save your husband, let him serve his jail term. I don't have money to provide. Okay, you don't.
So how will I survive with my son if he goes to jail?
Ofunwa, that you cannot survive with him. I had 3. Okay, supposing your husband is dead.
Mama, God forbid my husband will not die. He's not dead yet. What is this now, Mama? You know what? Please, I'm just going inside. I'll go and relax because I don't want issues with you this afternoon. Please feed my son very well. And please do not choke him to death.
That is your business, Mama. That is your
Mama,
business.
Leave me.
I don't have money to support you.
Mama, don't choke my son. Give him water.
I don't know. I don't have money to support you. After I said not to marry a police officer. Police officer, I go. You went and married him. Now you want to make me of my own money. Everyone just survive. Body and soul together. It will not work. A man work. Nonsense. Let him serve his jail time. Ndiala. I should give you my house rent. As if you've given that your hungry husband has been giving me money. You are depending on my own. Can you imagine?
You have ruined your lives with this. You are destroying your lives with this. No pity, no pity, no pity. You can set the go begin.
Yeah?
This is so bitter.
So bitter? I drink pepper soup. Drink pepper soup. So the quantity, this thing. If it bitter you drink pepper soup. That's the rule of alcohol. Eh? Yes.
You are being so romantic to me.
I'm a romantic guy, yo. One chai. Eh? Drink more.
Make me to sleep.
It will make you to sleep. You sleep now. And when you don't you know you're about to have BP because you have been thinking about your brother's distinct problem. So now that you take alcohol, you sleep so that BP will go. Do you understand? If you want to sleep, you sleep. After all, I'm going to pass night here.
Why?
You say why? Hey, how can you ask why? See, let me tell you, you need a man that will protect you now. This is the time you need a man to protect you. And that's why I'm here. Because they say joy comes in the morning, but tear comes in the night. That man is a very angry man. He may come back here again in the night to scatter you. So you need a man that will stay here for you.
Maduka, you are right though. Please stay with me. I'm even afraid. I pray that he doesn't come tomorrow morning to look for my brother's son.
No, he will not come again. He cannot leave his wife that is getting mad to come here. Don't you know that his wife out of shock? The woman, that brain, brain. She's not behaving somehow. Yes, now. When I went there to see Iche, they told him to take the woman to the hospital. I don't know if they have gone. After they have buried the boy.
Chai, I feel so bad for them. I feel like crying.
You have been crying too much now. Don't cry again. Drink stout. Take.
Maduka. Why is that turning me on?
Time later, my own answer. I want a butu. I want a butu.
What is that?
Hey, you are not touching me. You are touching me. It's what I'm acquiring romance. I won't get the boy better. Come on, down. Did you buy it for me?
Where is that turning me?
Your eye is turning you. Do you want to go inside?
Give me start. You said it will calm me down.
Okay. You know, let me tell you, the rule of alcohol, the rule of start is that if your eye is turning you, you drink more. Yeah. Yes, now. If your eye is turning you, you drink more. The more you drink, the more it stops. But if you drink small, by the time you drink this thing like 2 now, hey, your eyes will open. That's what open eyes. Hey, drink it, drink it. You see the eyes will not open now. Eh? You need more, I'll give you. Drink it, drink it.
Open it now.
Drink it.
Open it. Open it now.
Your eyes? Come here. If I said, let me take it to my house now, you'll be thinking something. Alright, let me take it inside. So you guys sleep. Wait. Oh, let me take it inside. Get up.
Don't do mistake, you will regret tomorrow.
Oh my God. Junior, you have finished me. Is this really happening? How can I be so careless with my service pistol?
Daddy!
Junior, how are you? You okay?
Dad, I like your gun.
Hey! What are you doing? Come. Listen. Junior, you have to pay attention. Okay?
Okay.
This is bad for you. Okay? It's
Okay,
not
Dad.
good for you. It's very dangerous for you. Okay? This is mine. It's for the government. I chase bad people with it. Say bad people.
Bad people.
Yeah. Now, I'm going to get you a gun. A toy gun for you. Okay?
Okay, Dad.
But this, don't ever go close to it. It's dangerous for you. Okay?
Junior, come on, please.
Alright. Alright, going. So I'll see you guys when I come back.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye, Junior. See you when I get back, alright? Stand here. Stand here. Okay? So this, Junior, this is your object. You're going to shoot at this. Okay? But before you shoot, I'll teach you how to stand. Yeah, like this. Your right leg forward a bit. Yeah. To create balance, okay? Balance. Then this is your right hand. You aim at your object like this. Okay? Like this. Then you support your right hand with your left hand. Can you see? So that you be balanced. So you aim at your object. No. You have to stand upright. Yeah. Aim at your object. Shoot. 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 Okay, let me show you. Come on, watch Daddy. Stand here. See? Yeah. Can you see it? Okay, come on, start. This way. Alright, you aim at your object. Support your hand with this. Shoot! Faster, faster. Yeah! Yeah! Okay, see. If a criminal is coming, huh? Do like this. Show me. Show me. Okay, so I'm going to let you have this on one condition. You're not going to touch my gun. This is yours, and the other one is mine, okay? Okay? You're not going to touch my gun. This is yours, and the other one is mine. Alright? Okay. Aim at this. Go close to it. Close to it. Close to it. Yeah! Go again. Close to it. Yeah! Good boy. Come here. Ah!
God, why should this happen to me? Theophilus of all people. Who do I call now? Who's going to help me? I don't want to go to prison. My family will suffer. My family will suffer.
Why, sir?
Cobra.
Sir.
Morning, how are you?
Thank you, sir.
Cobra.
Sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Is your guy still around?
No, sir. He's closed for the day, sir.
Has anyone from that family come to see me?
No, sir. Maybe tomorrow they will come. Sir, I would like you to use this advantage to do anything you need to do, sir. You might be moved from here at any moment, sir.
Cobra.
Sir.
I need my phone. Please. Tell Kunle I said I need my phone. This case is very serious. I need to make some important calls. Please. Tell Kunle his Oga needs his phone.
Sir.
Yes.
You know, say we dey try. We dey try. But sir, now that you are here, I want you to take it as an advantage to get yourself a good lawyer to represent you, to be ahead of this case, sir. Another thing, sir. You can ask Oga. Ask Oga to help you in this case, sir.
Cobra.
Sir.
I understand you're trying. And I know Kunle is also trying. But please, I need my phone. Okay? This matter is serious. I need to make some calls. I want to see what I can do. I want to see what I can do to ensure this entire situation doesn't go out of hands. Please, when speaking to Kunle, don't be authoritative. Just tell him I said I need my phone to make some calls.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Please. And I was told that CP asked the DPO to detain me.
Yes, I know, sir.
And see, the DPO is my friend. He's a good man. But he's working under instructions. There's nothing he can do. The order is from CP.
Your food.
No problem. Thank you.
What happened to me last night?
Huh?
Answer me!
So many things happened to you. Which of them?
Don't ask me that stupid question. Maduka, Ilaram Naban. Did you make love to me last night? Answer me!
Which of
I am naked!
Which of the things are you asking me? So many things happened to you last night. Which of them are you talking about? Eh? Think about Langa yesterday night. Both of us we are here yesterday. Drinking alcohol. Start to know here. We were drinking alcohol. At the end of the day, we went inside. Your eye was turning you. Say, let me carry you and go and keep you so that you sleep. You started sleeping. The sleeping was not good. You said, no. If I leave you now and go out, it won't remember. I said, let me stay with you like a baby, a nanny. Take care of you so that you sleep well. On the process of sleeping, something came out. I said, hey, you know about it.
Know about what?
Yeah.
Hey, what is this now? Maduka, is this why you wanted to sleep over?
No, it's not that why. I was here to sleep over so I will look after you, take care of you, and protect you against you. Huh? What do you mean? Do you not enjoy this yesterday night?
Maduka, you took advantage of me. Maduka, why didn't you wait? Why didn't you wait till I'm ready for this?
This thing, see, you can't be shouting like this now. You can't be shouting. This is something that we did, lovers did. Alcohol cannot intoxicate for nothing. Alcohol, you know it now. How can we both of us get drunk yesterday night and we be asking what happened the next day? Nobody does that. That's part of looking after you. Security man have to have some this thing now. Don't do this thing.
Oh, Chimo. Madukara namo. Hey, Madukara, Maduka used me. In fact, just go. You have to go. Go.
Stop this. Which one I should go?
Go now.
Why? What are you doing? Why are you behaving like this now? What do you mean I should go? Why are you sending me away? Don't do this thing. It's not good now. It's not good now. I slept over here to take care of you, to look after you like a nanny. I'm here looking after you. Let's say that I do not sleep. Making sure that no animal come around. Any background on the this thing, I will wake up. Thinking that it was Theo, so that I'll finish him once and for all. But it was not Theo. You did not even allow me to sleep. So what did I do wrong?
Maduka, you shouldn't have used me. Maduka, you used me.
But you too, you used me. You will say use me to bring your brother out. I was here making effort yesterday night. I called the lawyer. The lawyer said I should come this morning. Look at me now, preparing to go home and bathe so that I will go and see the lawyer. And you're here shouting at me so that your brother will come out. If not me, your brother will know Leka. I'm here making effort. Your sister-in-law, nowhere to find. Your brother, Leka. And Maduka is here making effort. I was there because of yesterday night you did not let me sleep. Okay. We are snoring like a pig. Come and see yourself yesterday. You should have seen yourself yesterday. Is this me? We are snoring like a pig. As you are snoring, this place was snoring because you just you are so just hard. I was seeing everything. The place was snoring and the place was inviting me.
It's okay.
I did not even sleep because I was busy working.
It's okay.
You're supposed to be thanking me. Okay. And you're shouting at me. It's not good now, baby. Calm down for Jesus. So. It's okay. What will I do to make you love me?
But I'm not happy. I'm not happy. It's okay.
But you enjoyed it.
Did you snap?
Snap what? When I'm busy working. Do you know how many trips I went to? If it was a tip by now,
how many times?
I can't count it though. Because if I want to stop, you will shouting deeper. You see, is this Obi that is talking about alcohol? I look at you. Every night. Wow. I say, no, this is Obi. Hey. Come and see yourself yesterday. Come and see yourself. Nobody here you make it because this is. I don't like the way. So you should be encouraging me. You should be encouraging me. Now I want to go and see a lawyer.
Were you scared?
I didn't know it was you. Good morning.
Yeah, morning. How are you?
I'm okay, and you?
I'm fine. I drive a teen, so there's no way you'll see me. Alright, quick one. The man called me.
Okay.
Yeah, he said we should hurry up and meet up with him in the house.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he said something about him going now that we should make it fast. So I didn't even tell him I was even in town.
Thank you so much. Let's just go. Hey, let's not waste any more time. Let's go.
Okay, fine. Then
you.
hop in. Let's go.
Let's
rush.
You have ruined your lives with this. You are destroying.
Go and check your phone. Your brother was calling you last night, but I did not pick it.
What? Oh, you didn't tell me now.
Hey. It's like you don't understand what I'm talking about. How can I wake you up? You did not see your condition yesterday. Hey! But let me say it. It's enjoyable. Let me go and see lawyer when I come back. At least give me a hug. Let me have strength to go and see lawyer.
Eh? After all this do, you still want to hug me? Please, see, I don't want your body to stand. Pico, just go. When you come back.
Are you saying that I don't have self-control?
When you come back now.
Give me a hug. If you don't give me a hug, I will not have strength to... Before I get to the lawyer's place.
No,
where you going to
No, please.
It's
okay. Just go.
Obi, I cannot believe it. Hey!
I just gotta see the
You are very sweet.
Thank you.
Let me go. You know I don't have any other girl in this village. It's only you now. It's only you I have. And you know it. There's no girl in this village that can be as sweet as you are. After all, is there any other person that brother is in cell? There's no girl in the village that your brother is in cell now.
Yeah, Kine, this is what you are saying.
I don't have any other girl. That's what I'm trying to say. If there's except maybe tomorrow another person will shoot somebody and go to
you will not follow another girl.
It's not I follow the girl. It depends on when I go there to help. Do you understand? No, please go inside and bathe.
I am ashamed of myself.
Bathe. You have to bathe and wash off because just
go and see the lawyer now. Go and see the lawyer and come back.
No, please wait for me, bathe. Sata here because we have to bathe now.
Lord, are you still here? You know we need to go to the hospital and meet Sister Regina there. I'm not sure even Ngozi has gone there yet.
You can go. I'll join you later.
Brother, this thing you're doing will not help us. Me, I'm just trying to be strong. It's not like I'm fine. I'm just trying, and I expect you to do the same.
Would you go? Just go. I said I'll join you. Let it go. I still want to be sure Emeka is in this grave. I'm trying to come to terms with the fact that my son is inside his grave. I don't know. It's still a dream to me. It's still a dream.
Brother, please. I am begging you in God's name. We should not be doing this at this point, please. We have Sister Regina to take care of. I beg you, leave here, please.
Kim Eric. What did tell me? What did I do to Eric? My only son. Did I do anything wrong in knowing him in this village? Tell me. My son lying in here. Ow!
Emeka, what is it? Again?
Junior took my toy and ran away.
Junior took your toy. Why?
I don't know. He went to their house.
It's alright. It's okay. I'll go get it for you. Don't worry.
Okay.
I'll go and get it for you.
Okay.
Don't worry. I'll go get it for you. It's alright. You get it. It's alright.
Emeka, my son. Why are you crying? What is it? Why are you crying, my son?
Junior took my toy and ran away.
What? Why?
I don't know.
How will Junior take your toy and run away? I don't understand.
Don't worry. I'll go and get it for him. I'll go there and bring it back.
Honey, you better go and get it too. And when you get there, you better you see that boy, smack him very well. He's always bullying our son, and I don't like it. This is the same thing the father is doing to you. What is all this?
I beg your pardon, Sunshine. Eric doesn't bully me, okay? I'm just a gentleman.
If you don't want to go there, I'll go there myself. Oh. You know me, and when I get there, you know my reaction now. I'm going to react, oh. Okay. Go and collect my son toy and come back here. Oh.
I will. I'll go get
Junior,
it, okay?
Listen to your mother. Hold your hand in your ear. You see that boy they call Junior? When you see him coming like this, you avoid him. You divert to another direction.
Okay.
Am I understood?
Yeah.
When you see Junior coming, you divert. You stay away from that boy.
Okay.
They are an enemy to our family. Yes, so they are an enemy to our family. So stay away from him. He's not a good boy. He's always bullying you now. Is he not?
Okay.
Stay away from him. Okay. I hope I make myself clear.
Yes.
Sunshine.
Good boy.
What you said now is wrong, okay? Please, don't spoil the child's mind.
I am not spoiling my child.
I told you I will go and get this toy. Why are you talking to him like that? You want to corrupt him?
I am not corrupting him. Please.
Let a child be a child for God's sake. I would... Emeka.
Sir.
Let me go and get the toy for you, okay? I'll go get it for you.
Please go and get it, though.
It's okay.
Go and get it, because if you know, if I land here now, everything will just scatter.
Sunshine, it's okay.
You know me.
It's okay.
Everything will scatter. Go and get my son toy, Biko.
I'll go back.
I don't want to ever see you with that boy again. I don't want to. If you see Junior coming, you just divert to another direction. Are you listening to your mother? They are an enemy to our family. Okay? Good boy. Good boy. Every time he will be bullying you. That's what they are doing to your father. And he will not say anything. He will just keep quiet. Useless man, take shameless wife. You see this useless cheap toy that you got for your son? Return it back to him. Tell him to stay away from my son. Are you listening to me? Tell him to stay away from my son. Do you get it? Useless.
Eliza, did you just throw this on me? Did you just do that?
I should have thrown it on the floor. No, because you've become an ancestor that I cannot throw something on. I should have put it on the floor. Warn your Kwashoko son. You see that useless idiot you call his son? Warn him to stay away from my son. Oh. Just warn him. We should carry his Kwashoko reading hands and stay away from my son. There are other children in this village. Let him play with them. He should leave my son alone. Alone.
Listen, Elizabeth, do you hear what you're ventilating from your mouth? No, tell me, are you hearing yourself? So you can call other people's children derogatory names as if your own is super healthy, right? I'm ashamed of you as a woman.
No, I am more ashamed of you.
I
am more ashamed of you. At least I am a woman. Who are you? Yes, I am more ashamed of you. Can't you see yourself? You are less of a man. You even become a wife in your home. You better open your eye, or maybe they've tied you somewhere and they put you inside something now. I don't know. Listen, just warn your son. Tell him to stay away from me. You see this nonsense kid that you bought for him? He shouldn't come close to my son again. The next time I see him close to my son, I will just tie him, throw him inside one ditch, and if you dare cough, you see where you end.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something.
What is that? That's
the highest you can do is the police case. That is the highest you can do. But let me tell you, someday you will see police case and you run away.
It's you that will run away.
Police. You can imagine. Vomiting nonsense. But since I got trying to arrange, I promise.
Theophilus, please. I came here to politely warn you, to caution your son. Look at my son. This is unacceptable.
And you're still politely telling him.
Listen, I don't want a situation whereby people see me as a bully. Or maybe because I'm a policeman, I'm trying to intimidate you. I'm not going to take that.
I'm sorry.
What is going on here? What is it?
Are you blind? Can't you see what is going on?
You are the one that is blind. What is that?
Can you easy? Take it easy.
Can you imagine?
I said.
Also, are you blind?
I said Emeka hurt. I mean,
Also,
look at the head. Emeka broke his head.
But my own son got injured too now. And he's inside, nursing his own wound. What is it?
Theophilus, please. I do not want to look like a bully. Or maybe because I'm a police officer and I'm trying to, intimidate you. I don't want that to happen. Please just caution your son. I don't want this to happen again.
Impossible. Chain him.
Hey, that's
Chain
enough.
your own son. You useless couple. Look at them. Foolish couple.
Can you keep quiet?
Honey. Officer, no arrest. Okay. If I ever see your nonsense and useless son close to my son, I promise I will roast him alive. Mark my word. Tell your stupid son to stay away from mine. Rubbish. Can you imagine?
Listen, calm down.
Right?
Listen to me.
Only better stop telling them to calm down.
Shut
up your mouth. Only I'm just respecting you. I'm respecting you.
Can you just keep quiet?
Making empty noise.
Theophilus, please. Let's do the right thing, all right? I'm afraid if this happens again, I'll have to arrest you.
Hey, only your sister.
Sorry, it won't happen again, okay?
Only your sister. You have
to pay for
this now.
Junior, sorry, okay?
Don't. You want to pay for it. They have to pay for this. Pay for what?
Can you calm down?
Calm down. Change this your wife too with your son. You are the one that nonsense is change. Idiot. Come on, leave my house, leave my compound, rubbish. You better go and train your son, oh. Tell your stupid son to stay away from my own son. You better go and tell your stupid son. You want me to bust your eye, idiot? Ottomano Bazaar. You are coming here to warn me. Put the fire in your mouth, dear idiot. Rubbish. Can you imagine? You have left me. Let me deal with that idiot. They better walk a ceremony.
What is it? Hey! Theophilus. What are you doing? Huh?
Theo, don't tell me you're still crying.
Do you want to kill yourself? Are you the first person to have lost his child? Huh?
So, I'm to believe now that my son was killed on purpose. And they lied to me it was Junior who killed Emeka.
Come up there, Theo. Huh? Get up. Stand up. You are a man. Theo, you are a man, not a woman.
Because the man you are.
Huh? You should tell me. Isn't it obvious? Eric asked his son to kill Emeka. Isn't it obvious? Tell me.
No. So listen. They couldn't have been so wicked to have done that. We all saw the bullet wounds on your son's body. We saw it. And you saw it too. What are you talking about? This is just a common, normal accident. But listen to me. We are thinking for a solution. Come over. Let us reason together.
Take way forward.
Because we are going to the police station now to see the DPO.
No, okay. Come to think of it. How did Junior get hold of his father's gun? How? No, tell me, how did he? These people killed my son in their house and lied it was Junior. Isn't it obvious? How can that small boy shoot a gun? How can he?
No. The imagination of your mind. I said that lie. It's a lie. Calm down. Come. Theo, listen to me. It's just a mere imagination of your mind. They couldn't have done that. Obviously, they couldn't. Eric has something to do with your child.
Obele pull the trigger. How?
Let the same mind tell that they didn't know what he was doing.
They killed my son. They did. Okay. They did. What they are saying.
Let's go to that seat and sit down and discuss on this matter. Because we have planned to go to the police station now and know what is happening. Come here, man. I
don't believe the story. I don't.
Evil spirit has taken over. No pity at all. No pity, them man the Lego conscience. No pity, where is your conscience? No pity, them man the Lego conscience. No pity,
Oh my
son. My son, you came to see mommy. My son, have you eaten? Amy, have you eaten? Oh, my son, you came to see mommy. Have you eaten? Son, you came to see mommy. Come see mommy. Come, my baby. Come, my baby.
What is
you
it?
came to see me.
Sis, stop, there's no one here. What is it? Shh. Emeka is here. Don't make noise so that you will not leave. Please go. Shh. Emeka is here. Sis, please.
Amy.
Sis, please. Come.
There's no one here. I've missed you. Please come. I want you. Please. Oh, you have allowed him to run away. No! Emeka! Amy, please come back to mommy. Please come. Amy, bring my Emeka back. I want to see my Emeka. Bring Emeka back. I want Emeka. Emeka, you want Emeka to go. I want Emeka. He was standing here. He was standing here. Please, my Emeka. Please, my Emeka. What could Emeka for me? What could he for me? What could he for me? What could Emeka?
There is nothing anyone will tell me if I don't hurt Eric. If I don't hurt him so badly that he will feel the pain.
Tio, don't say that. Don't say this, Tio. Huh? What is it? Huh? We are ready. That's why we are dressed to go to the DPO and see him. And even see that, see Eric to make sure that he's in the custody of the police. Huh? That's why we make the DPO know that we are ready. We're ready to sue him to court and also defend the case and imprison him for this matter. If they want to show us that they are the law, then we will cause mayhem that the whole world will hear. Yes.
Yo, Ikedi here is right. No one swallows such a thing that has happened to you. If it was a son, will it take it this way?
Thank you, Chendukwe. Thank you for speaking the truth. Ishe, do you remember when my son was playing with his son? They both got injured. Do you know Eric came to my house here to warn me? He warned me that this should never repeat itself. I said I was the one who injured his son. He threatened to arrest me. And the individual was made to pay for the whole damages.
It's okay. Let us go there, Tio. Let's go there first and see things for ourselves. And also let the DPO know that if they are making any plan to boycott this matter, we will raise alarm.
Nobody will raise any alarm.
We want to see him. in prison. No. We want to make sure he's jailed. Huh? You even they
won't raise any alarm. We won't raise any alarm. I will wipe out every member of Eric's family. Mark my word. I will kill all of them. Look at the condition he has put me now. My son is right there in the grave. My son is right there in the grave. Why he's cooling off on the cell? And of course his son is somewhere drinking milk. And you want me to be happy? Eric. Tell me. Eric. It's okay. Let me go in and bring you your transport.
No. Don't worry about that.
Why are you talking like that? Who told you I have some money? No, who told you I have money? Me that have not eaten.
It's okay. But he's your kinsman now. I
don't understand you.
It's okay. Let me go. Let me just.
Joey be go just get your transport fare. I know you know Managba.
Child, brother, I feel for you. They buried him yesterday evening. Yes. We talked last night. She's in her mother's place. Brother, Madka was here yesterday. He promised to help us get a lawyer. No problem. Once they agree on something, I will let you know. You say? They put you in the cell. But you are a police officer now. Okay. You mean private cell? Oh, brother, you just have to manage, okay? Just manage. Maduka is here. He's even coming. I will let you know. Bye-bye. My brother just called.
What did he say?
He's telling me how he's coping over there. So, what about the man? What happened? Because I told him about
it. I don't know. Why is it even hard for you to hug me? Even to hug me is hard for you.
Maduka, is hug important now? When you know that you still sleep with me?
It's not that it's important, but sometimes it's good to be romantic. I'm not the romantic sometimes.
Okay, no problem. Since it will make you happy, come and hug me.
No need.
Maduka, hug me.
No need. Since it's not from your heart, no need. There's no point bothering it. It's not from your heart. It's good if you want to hug me. You hug me from the innermost part of your heart. Yes, now. It's even hard for you to show me love and all these things. But no problem.
Maduka, what happened now?
No problem. I've called the man. The man said that he's not around. But he gave me a number of the man that I will call, that will clear this case once and for all. Then I called the man. The man said that he's not that he's going to take 1 million.
What? 1 guinea?
1 million naira.
No, it's too much now. Where will I get it from?
It's too much how? Hey, you don't know this case, so. You don't know this case at all. This case is a very big case, so. You don't know the case your brother entered into. This is a very big case, so. Is it because we are taking it like this? And because of my connection? It's a very big case, so. See, let me tell you. He said that your brother is not going to enter prison. Because if your brother enter prison, if your brother enter prison, one, he has lost his job because ex-convict does not work with civil service. Ex-convict is not police, only civil service business. Do you understand now? Two, before your brother will come out from that prison, hunger has bent people's neck. Hunger will finish you because nobody will take care of you people except me. So, three, he's going to make sure that everything is fine. Your brother will come out early as possible. So you see, 1 million naira is nothing.
Hey.
So the thing is, because I am involved, there must be a way.
Maduka, what are we going to do now?
It's just that he asked, I don't know. It's just that he asked me, what is my connection to the family, whether I'm married there, what's my relationship with them, whether I am a part of the family, whether he's my wife's brother and all that. I don't know what to answer him.
Why didn't you tell him that you are married or you are part of the family?
No. Is that how to marry? That's not how to marry. It's even hard for you to hug me, to open your heart from innermost part of your heart and show me love. It's even hard. So how will I tell the man? I don't know what to tell him. So it's good when you want to love a man, you show him love, open your heart, show him that you love him. So that when the man is working for you, he will know what he's doing.
Maduka, so the man will not help us again. Maduka, it's not fair. Last night. You do me last night. Oh. How many times and you still do me again? Yet you don't want to tell the man that is your wife's to be family. Or you don't want to marry me again.
Anna, calm down. Be calming down. Yeah, your body is always hot. Okay, now listen. If I ask you to marry me, will you?
Yes, now. Yes. See, Maduka, I've given you my heart too. Yes. I will marry you. Today, tomorrow, I will marry you, honestly.
It's alright. Now that you have said this thing now, there's a way the thing touch me from the gang of my heart. So I told the man that you are the guy is my wife's brother.
Are you serious?
Yes, now.
Hey, I'm so happy.
So he said I should not worry. As long as it's my wife's brother, that I should come later, we'll go and see the police people, see the DPO, and this is a chicken change case. That your brother will come out sharp.
Hey,
so the only thing that is when he asked me, hope the girl is doing you well.
I'm doing you well now. My darling husband. See, I prepared something for you. Let's go.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Food.
Anyone.
Let's go. Hey, let's go.
I'll take it easy on you. Calm down. Last night I didn't do much. Let's go, let's go. I'm going to take my case. All right. Let's
Control your anger, for you not to say. If you control your temper, for you not to cry tomorrow. Avoid worry, for you not to say, and I know, for you not to say, if one more, for you not to cry tomorrow. Before you do anything in this world, think twice, check what you from more. Before you take any actions in this life, think twice, one more. Ejibana magiwo kesu onogo. Ejibana magiwo kesu onogo. Makana kedi niruka, kedi niruka. Makana kedi niruka, kedi niruka. Ejibana magiwo kesu onogo. Don't do mistake, you will regret tomorrow. Makana kedi niruka. Quarreling can only bring pain and destruction to you.
Yeah, welcome to my humble abode, It's been long you came here.
Why are we here? I thought you said we're in a hurry to meet up with the man.
Yeah, that's true. His house is over there. But you see, I wouldn't want us to go see him, and he might be, busy with 1 or 2 clients and ask us to wait. So I thought it's wise, since my house is around the vicinity, so why don't you just go home, you relax, wait for him. I could call him up, then he'll give us an appointment, either to come to the house or we'll go meet him in his house.
Oh, okay, that's fine. That's true, but I think you should call him right away. Also, I don't know if you have light, so I could power my phone.
Oh,
because the battery is actually down, and I know my husband would have been trying to reach me.
Well, that's true.
Yes, please. Yeah.
Oh, Dave.
Yes.
Sure, I'll power it for you.
Thank you.
All right, welcome to my house, boss.
Yeah, I noticed your gate man didn't open the gate.
Oh, the gate man?
Yes.
Well, I sacked him. He tried to rip me off.
Oh.
Mm-hmm. You know how these Hausa boys, how they can be. All right, let's go into the house.
Okay.
I'll power your phone.
Okay, thank you.
Let me leave you here.
Any actions in this life, think twice, one more.
Please, sir. Sir, I've been loyal to you, sir. Sir, I'm very loyal to you. I don't want to go to jail, sir. If I go to jail, what happens to my family? My wife, my son, my job? Sir, you need to help me. I don't know anyone else. Please.
Eric.
Sir.
This case is not in my hand to decide. It is a court matter. And you know why I asked them to go and get you? That guy or the youth would have injured you or your family members. And, if that happened, there's nothing we could do about it. All you need to do now is to get yourself a good lawyer.
Sir, you don't understand. I can't afford a lawyer now, sir. But my wife and sister, they are trying to help me. But the truth is, I don't have money. Since I was transferred from Abuja to this place, I've not made money, sir. I'm just a very good cop, sir. Sir, since I was transferred from Abuja to this place, I've not made a dime. And I don't want to be a bad policeman, sir. You need to help me, sir.
Eric.
Yes, sir.
I'll see what I can do. But you need to get yourself a lawyer. It's very important.
My wife is on it, sir. Sir, one more thing, sir. I'll appreciate it if you do me this favor.
And what is it?
Sir, can you kindly delay any transfer that might come? Please, sir.
Listen, you're a police officer. So you don't need to be scared. Relax. I'll see what I can do about it. And Cobra!
Stupid girl. Good for nothing woman. God-forsaken nincompoop. Finally you entered my hands again. And this time I will not allow you to slip through my fingers. You have the guts to tell me to charge this rubbish you call a fun for you. Okay. By the time I finish dealing with you, you'll regret ever being born. Plan I get for you no good. By the time I'm done with you, your police husband won't see you, won't know you again.
Please, is it charging?
Yes, your phone is charging.
Oh,
Please, have this to calm your nerves down, okay?
Thank you. Sorry, did you call the man? What did he say?
Oh, the man. Yeah, he said he will be here as soon as he finishes with what he's doing.
Wow. He must be a really humble man.
Oh, really? Humble? Well, he's the chairman of our estate, and I am the treasurer.
Oh.
You know, as the say goes, money talks and bullshit walks. You understand? So you now have so much money and they do whatever I want them to do. Yeah, they all do my bidding.
I must say you've done really well for yourself.
Extremely well for myself.
That's good. I missed, but I'm not regretting. I love my husband so much. I mean, tell me, why aren't you married?
Married? Well, the truth is I already found a woman for myself. A wife, someone to call my own. But you see, she's very elegant. She's a virtuous woman, a woman with good virtues. And you know what? She takes care of my mother as if she's her own mom. That's a good side of her. She's always there 24/7 to ensure that my mother ain't lacking anything.
Wow. Are you talking about that lady? You mean you want to marry that lady, that one I saw the other time?
Isn't she beautiful?
She is.
You know what? She does the job well. That's why I pay her 200K per month, you know. Yeah, she takes...
That much?
Yes, pretty much. She deserves it. She makes my mom happy, you know. She's always there with my mom. Like I said, 24/7, she's there.
If you can just help call the man once again and probably still check. My phone is ringing.
Yeah, your phone.
Yeah.
That's true. But
I think I feel really sleepy.
Yeah, that's true. I notice it. Well, don't you think you should go into one of the rooms and just relax yourself?
No. I'm fine here.
Are you sure you're fine? You're okay? Okay, fine. Okay, let me go check on your phone if you're still charging, Mom. While we wait for the man to get here.
Okay.
All right,
Mr. Theo, your wife is not getting better. I must be sincere to you. There's no point being professional about this by pretending she's getting better. She's not.
Oh my goodness, what are we going to do?
So, what do we do, doctor?
She needs you and your sister here. She needs love right now. Psychologically, she's draining. The shock of your son's death hit her so hard. I don't know how close they are. But she needs all the love she can get.
Madness. Doctor, please, I beg in God's name, don't let this happen. I beg you, please. Please.
Madness, how? My wife mad? Because of Eric and his family?
No, don't say that. Listen, I've known you for a very long time. That is why I had to come out plain to you. Let's see how she responds to the drugs. If she doesn't, then we'll start psychiatric.
How? My wife will go mad? No. I'd rather kill Eric, decapitate his body, kill his wife, decapitate her body, kill the son, decapitate. I'll behead the son first, then decapitate and I'll now cremate their body. I know when my wife hears it, she'll be happy. I'll cremate their body.
Any actions in this life, think twice. One day more. Ejibwana makiwo kesu onago. Ejibwana makiwo kesu onago. Makana kedi niruka, kedi niruka. Makana kedi niruka, kedi niruka. Ejibwana makiwo kesu onago. Don't do mistake, you will regret tomorrow. Makana kedi niruka, kedi niruka. Quarreling can only bring pain and destruction to you. Ejibwana makiwo kesu onago. Ejibwana makiwo kesu onago. Makana kedi niruka, kedi niruka. Makana kedi niruka, kedi niruka. We are living in a world where people know.
Okay, sirs. I am happy you are satisfied now. You have seen him in the cell, and I've also spoken with him.
But when is he going to the court? Because we want to see him in prison.
Well, we'll soon take this matter to the court. But seeing him in prison will be determined by what your lawyer is able to present and what the judge will give as judgment. I would rather advise that you try and see if you can withdraw this case and settle it at home.
No DPO. They call negligence, right? Huh?
Yes. After all, he didn't do it by himself. It was his son of 4 years that did it. And that boy cannot stand before a judge. Neither can he stand trial because he does not have a word of his own. So, and that is why his father is in for him. He didn't do it by himself.
DPO, I understand your take. This is your take. No problem. But what we must do is to make sure that this matter is handled very well. Yeah? After all, I'm not even sure that it was this small boy that did, this little boy that did it. Yeah? Because ever since they came back to this village, Eric had been hunting and intimidating Theo and his wife and his family.
Terrorizing them.
Yeah? Terrorizing them. Do you know what? Let us go. We have had DPO. DPO, thank you.
Sir, you have to be fast with the call. I don't know if those men are gone. I don't know.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
But this is unacceptable now. Eh? My wife's phone is switched off. And I don't expect her to be quiet at this point. If her phone is down, she should call me with someone else's number. This is when I need her the most.
But sir, don't you have any other person to call? Her mother or even your sister?
Let me try to call my sister.
That would be better.
How can she put off her phone at this point in my life? Eh? When she knows the situation of things.
What is all this? I'm not heard from her. Why would she keep me in the dark? Ha! Her husband is even calling. Hello? Thank God, oh. Go on now. You can even make call. Hey. Thank God, oh. Thank God. Now I heard what happened, though. Yes. Yes. She was there this morning to tell me she was going to the city. But I've not heard from her. Neither have I seen her. I am bothered. I am worried. Yes. Oh, she told you too. Yes, she told me she was going to the city to get me to one of her friends. I will help her with the lawyer. Eh? Yes, one of her friends said that she was going to help her with the lawyer. So she went to see her, and I've not heard from her. I'm worried, very, very worried. I've not heard from her now. Let me know how she spent all this. She don't get to the city. Though when she left, her phone was down. But she left with her charger. She's supposed to have charged the phone by now and called me. Simba. Oh, no problem. Oh, just take care of yourself. You know, go. Take care of yourself. If I got them, everything will be fine. Hi. What is all this? What is all this? Oh, didn't you see where to charge your phone? Call me now.
It's a pity what a beanstalk could have solved.
But why would that man demand for such money? Where will I get 1 million naira from? Where?
No, the thing, only more. This one is bigger than me. I don't know what to do. It's bigger than me. I tried to beg him if he can collect like a 30k or 40k. He insisted. I don't know. I can only provide money for like maybe beer or kai or eating. But this one is bigger. Why not call your sister-in-law and tell her?
Her number is not going since today. I even tried calling my brother, but his phone is switched off. You know they tell him when to answer calls. I don't know what to do. Maduka, please. If you love me, you have to do this for me. I'm begging you, just do this for me. Help me.
Wait. If I love you, I have to do it for you. 1 million naira. You are pushing me towards 1 million. No, I don't have that kind of money for that kind of love. I told you now. The love I have for you have not got to 1 million naira. We just started now. It's good from 40, 30,000 biddo. See, I told you that the only thing I can, if it's 30 or 40, I can run around and see if I can get it. But since the 1 million naira is too much, for 30,000, 40,000, we're so let us use that 30,000, 40,000 and stay alive and be eating so that we can have strength and have fun.
Stop talking that rubbish. What is wrong with you? Maduka, so you love me because you want to be having fun with me? No, I don't want 1 million of ya. I want Romia, no problem. See, as you can see, I don't have time for this. My body is paining me.
Your body is paining you. But we have not done this one.
Doing
what? See the way you are doing to me.
I reject it. Good, that you don't want to help me.
Where is that first one? Where is that first one? Where is it?
Go inside. Theo, don't do this. Don't do this. Theo, don't do this.
I'll kill everybody in this house.
Don't do this.
Sit. Hey, I would have started with her. I would have started now. I'll kill her. Kill everybody in this house. Cut out their necks. My son. They killed my son.
Theo. See, you commit evil and you go to jail.
I don't care. I can go to jail. I'm sure the jail is meant for humans. It's not meant for animals. I'll kill everybody. If they let them run, they can only run, but they won't hide. Mark my words. I will come back. I will kill them. If I see the man, I decapitate his head. If I see his wife, I decapitate her leg. If I see the son, I decapitate them. I will decapitate everybody. Mark my words. Wait.
It's okay.
Maduka.
Do you want to
Maduka. I'll come back. I will come back. Kill somebody. Behead everybody. Decapitate.
Ichie, please. You push. There's trouble. There's trouble.
Okay.
See, how do Theo? Theo came to Eric's house to kill Obi. If not that I was there, Obi would have been dead by now. So people should hold him.
Come back.
After they killed my son,
come back.
After they killed my son? No!
Theo, I won't take it.
Theo, what is this again? Look at it. Eh? You are here still brandishing your machete. You want to kill everybody? Calm down.
I'll kill Eric. I'll kill the wife. I'll kill the sister. And I'll cremate their body.
And possibly kill yourself. At the end.
It's here. I'm wounded now.
Will you also kill me?
Why are you behaving like this? Why are you behaving like this? Eh? Let me tell you something. A complainant can turn to a prisoner. We are just coming from the DPO's office. Eh? You couldn't even call me or wait for us to come back. Now you're looking for somebody to kill.
I don't care. I do not care.
Then hear me, I hear me.
Hospital. My wife is lying there, going mad. The doctor said, "Nawunyam na puzala. Nawunyam na puzala."
What? How do you know?
Maduka.
Wait. You still have to calm down.
Maduka.
We saw Eric in the cell. Eh? And the DPO assured us of justice.
Yeah, assured us of justice. Okay, now, like you said, listen to you, Naya. We are in this thing together. I am your uncle. I am your case man. If we allow you to continue going ahead and brandishing this knife, it will also affect your brain. It's not good. Let me tell you.
I don't even have a brain again. I've lost it. The only son I have, they killed. I'll kill everybody.
You cannot.
Cut them.
Before you
cremate their body.
Listen to me. I know all that. You are affected by the environment, the situation. Yeah? But at this matter, you should be arrested. Because I know we are just here because of your case. Please, let's go. Let's go. Stay calm. Let's go home.
Eric!
Happen!
Let us go.
Eric! Yo, sharpen!
If I judge,
Vincent! Vincent! What's the meaning of this? Vincent, I'm going to untie me!
Reserve your strength for the second round.
Vincent, don't tell me you had me.
What do you mean? I shouldn't tell you if I had you. Yes, I had you as many times as I wanted. You were so sweet.
Are you mad? Are you insane? How can you have somebody else's wife? I am married, for God's sake. Wait, is this the reason you brought me here? I am not your own. Is this revenge?
Yeah, you can call it revenge or whatever you choose to call it. But you see, I will advise you to play matured to avoid this getting to another level.
Benson, you're sick. You're mad. Untie me this minute.
Oh,
Get out! For God's sake, I am married. Why would you do this? Is this the lawyer you told me you were taking me to go see? What is your problem? How can you have something to do with another man's wife?
Like I said, reserve your strength, okay? So you still have mouth to talk. By the time you spend 1 year in this place, you will understand what you've gotten yourself into. Haven't you seen what's happening on social media? Where boyfriends slaughter their girlfriends into pieces, use machete every area of their body, and put it in a sack and throw it into the lagoon. Now listen, and listen very good. You are not walking out of that gate without having a child for me. It's not possible. It won't happen. Do you hear me? You are going to have a child for me before you leave this place. That I promise you. Oh, you are still seeing this as a joke, right? So I advise you to reserve your strength for the next round, because I am penetrating your kunta kunte, and you are going to have a child for me, whether you like it or not. You have the nerve, the guts to insult my mother. You called my mother names that she irritates you. Now my mother is so disgusting. You of all people, you said you won't marry me because of my mother. Okay. You are going to be here For 1 year or more than, if I choose. But you'll be here. I'm going to have you as much as I want. Okay?
Okay, brother. I will do that today or first thing tomorrow morning. Okay. Bye.
What did he say?
My brother said I should leave this village immediately.
What? No, nah. No, nah. Why? When I'm here protecting you.
He said you might be busy. Tio will hurt me, Biko.
I cannot be busy.
See, no, you are busy. I have some dirty clothes. I want to go and wash some. I'm going to our in-laws' place tomorrow.
No, now. No, now. When I'm here did I not protect you now? What else is busy than staying with you? I've been taking care of you. So, which one of you will hurt you? Tio will not hurt you. See, by the way, why is your brother calling like that? Is he not in cell again? I'm thinking that he's not in cell.
He is. He's a police officer now. The place he was arrested is where he works. So, he might have some advantage. After all, he's not the one that shot the boy.
Yeah, it's just praying that shot the boy, so he's part of it. Eh? You know, if you want to be in cell, be in cell. Don't put him out for. See, the thing is, there's no point you going there. There's no point you going there. You can stay here, I will protect you. Both of us will stay here. Eh? If you go there, who will stay with me? How can I be passing the night alone? The love that we have not started, they are not trying to cut it off.
You want me to stay here with you? Don't worry. You can come down and be visiting me. Am I running away? No, you can come there. Please, besides, you can stop calling the lawyer you are calling. My brother has gotten a lawyer. Yes, the DPO has gotten a lawyer for me.
No. How can people stop me from my efforts? The effort that I'm trying to do to show my woman that I love her. How can people cut it off?
You are wasting my time.
The recharge card I called and all these things, who will pay me for it?
Don't worry, we are going to pay you.
The thing that we are even doing, you have not even done it half. What have you done? And they want to take you away from me.
Don't worry.
Don't go there.
I am going.
You cannot go. You can't go.
Get ready.
You can't stay here alone.
I want to run for my dear life.
No, you are not going anywhere. Can I plan what you plan? No.
What you're saying now is getting me angry. It's getting me angry. I don't like it.
Theo, can you calm down? Huh? What is wrong with you? Huh? Why you not there when I woke up in the morning? I'm buried myself in the evening, crushed by a bus driver. Did I kill the man? Huh? Why not calm down and use your head as a man? Huh? Or do you want to enter into trouble? Huh?
Iche, my wife will be going to a psychiatric hospital soon. My wife will be going to a psychiatric hospital. So you can imagine what I'm going through.
She's going nowhere. She is going nowhere. Just bring her down here. We have a good woman that can treat her very well. For her to be totally okay. All we need to do now is to get a good lawyer who will make sure that Eric goes to jail. That's what is important.
You will not only go to jail. I will go to that jail. I will go to that jail and kill him. I will kill him in jail. He cannot. He cannot. At that point of time.
Theo, you have to calm down. What you need to do is calm down so you understand what you're going through. Or do you have any lawyer? Theo.
Kill. It's not the matter here. This is law. This is law affair. This is a technical term. Please calm down, my son.
You have to calm down.
There's nothing the eyes will see and shed blood.
What do you think you're doing? Are you stupid? No, you think I'm stupid, right?
Stop! What is this evil?
Oh, keep quiet. Oh, you think I'm stupid? You think I don't know what I'm doing? Now listen. The old doors in this house are padded. The old house is soundproof. You can scream all you want. Nobody will hear you in this neighborhood. Nobody can hear you. And for your information, I have disposed your phone. Nobody can get you when they try to call you. Nobody can track your number. Your phone is no longer in this neighborhood. Do I make myself clear? So you better behave yourself.
Why are you this evil?
Really? Yes, I am evil. I loved you like mad. I loved you so much. My mother loved you also. At first sight. But what did you do? You messed up her brain. Yes, you messed me up. Now listen, if you don't behave yourself, I will drop you like body bag on social media. I will butcher you into pieces. You better behave yourself.
My husband is a policeman. Remember that.
Your husband is in cell. I will make sure he rots in jail. If those people cannot afford a lawyer, I will get them a very good lawyer that will send him to jail for killing that innocent boy. Now listen, your husband is not going to save you. He's going to rot in prison. And now we have the opportunity to run you in and out. And you will give me a child whether you like it or not. And for your information, Chizzy and my mother are coming into town tomorrow. You will have to live in this house with my own mother. In Ayala. So my mother is not good, right? You feel your mother is better than my own mother, right? When your mother was sick, what did I do? I took care of your mother when your siblings couldn't do anything.
Please. I'm begging you.
You're begging me.
Please, you're like my family. I mean, we're from the same town, we're from the same village. Please just allow me to go. Release me. Please. I'm begging you.
Release you. Oh, my baby. We're from the same town. I love you. Yes, it's okay. I'll release you so you go. Mugu. Onyala. Mugu. Listen, you better get yourself ready. I am coming back for 3 rounds, okay? You must give birth to a child this week. Idiot. You see you try to escape next time. Tighten it this time. You're not going anywhere. Please. Mugu.
God. What have I gotten myself into? God, please help me.
Maduka, why are you silent? You're not saying anything. I'm hungry.
You're hungry. You're hungry. So I will go and buy food now and start spending my own money again. After buying food and you now eat. After eating, you pack your things and go tomorrow.
Why are you like this now? My life is at risk here.
Your life is at risk. Am I not here? Have I not been your nanny since? Have I left here?
But what if you are not here when he comes?
Then come to my house. Let's stay in my house.
You see?
You'll be safe there. Come to my house.
Me? Obi, come to your house. You are joking. Maduka, I am not going anywhere with you. I'm not coming to your house. You see, first thing tomorrow morning, I'm leaving. If you like, buy the food. If you like, don't buy the food. Asikwam, my mind keeps telling me that you don't love me. You just want me because of my body. Okwifu, you see that one where you don't do? That small one that you did. No problem. Just hold up. Take a whole body. Hold it there. No problem. Be fine.
I should use that one and hold it.
Yes, use that one.
Do you know you don't have sense? You don't have sense. Well, let me see how you're going to leave this village. Leave this house. I can't go to me. I'm not going out to. I'm here.
See who is talking. Funny man. In my own father's house, you want to stop me from leaving. Try it now. Nonsense. See, you go and buy the food though if you know what is good for you. I might even change my mind. Yes, and give you tonight. Another round tonight. of one, you just do once. After all, let me manage you small now. You are good in, somehow you are good, you are not good, but at least just can buy the food.
See the way you are saying it too. You can imagine the way you're gonna only bend one side when you yeah. I might change my mind, Me want to change the mind.
Yes.
Are you changing your mind for me? You want me to go and buy food, so let me go, you can just spend the way go. After spending money, you come and eat. Did you have more strength to go where you are going?
Which money are you spending?
What do you mean which money? Do you know how much is? Do you know how much is a plate of pepper soup? If I go out there, I can get guests. How much is your this thing?
Hey, very expensive.
It's expensive.
It's very expensive.
2.8.
To God forbid you.
Do you know they go out there? I can get guests of 3.5.
It's a lie. You see Dangote is even looking for you.
Dangote is looking for your being answer.
Yes.
Can you imagine?
Yeah, imagine what? Go and get
See, let me tell you. I'm even managing you, sir.
I'm managing you too.
I'm managing you.
In fact, don't buy.
I can get guests. I can get guests. 3.8. 3.8.
Don't worry now.
2 guests.
2
Because
guests.
you took advantage of me.
Could you how are you? Welcome. How is she doing now?
The doctor just gave her an injection. She's sleeping.
What about you?
Tio went to the house. She will be discharged in the morning.
Why?
The doctor said her mental health has been affected by the shock. So the doctor has recommended that we take her to the psychiatric hospital.
What? No, why?
My sister. I don't know again. Eric and his family has finished also. Oh my God. I don't know.
Oh my God. Please stop. Please stop. Jesus! Regina! Regina! Jesus! 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 Oh my God! Oh my God! Regina! Can you hear me? Regina! Jesus! Doctor! Doctor! Jesus! Doctor!
This girl, I don't want to leave this village. I will not let you. I will not let you. After all I have spent for you. Now I'm going to buy another food for you to eat. After I will enjoy you and you say you want to leave this village to leave me. It will not happen. It will not happen. Instead, I will do you house arrest. Come, Tagodi. Go for free. How can you do that? You cannot try it. Okay. Maduka, 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 they just called me now. Now my wife is going mad completely. What? Maduka, there is no what? Maduka is not a what? Maduka, Maduka, just make sure that girl doesn't leave this village. The girl, I will hurt her. Die that girl for me. Die that girl for me. I will hurt her. I will hurt her. I will cut her. I will choke her. Just. Let's guy down. Take what is it, Maduka? Tell me, take what is it? Maduka, I will kill every member of Eric's family. I will cut their neck. I will kill them. I will kill them. I will kill them. Please. People should take this in easy, okay? Let's settle Oku and why. Let's settle this matter. I don't have a son again. You see, Abby, I will use that as an example. If I don't kill her today, Okwechi, Abby, I'll kill her. I'll kill her, baby. If the wife like, let her run to anywhere. I don't care. I don't care. She can only run, but she cannot hide. If I catch her, I will kill her. I'll cut her leg. Please, I'll hold her for you. Please, you should take this easy. Your wife, why am I telling her? Why am I telling her? Hey, get what the problem here? Jesus, you know where about? Hey, G1, because just hold her. Just hold her. Hold her. I will cut her leg. Let me start again! Sorry. Because Jiriwayo, hey! Onum keji me example. Ngwe na wele melu wane wezi. Ngwe na melu wane wezi. Anything that oh God. You go to me example ko ese koto. Hey! Can the problem be here? Jesus! Hey! What kind of problem is this in this village? Can you imagine? Huh? You only me example. You see my neck as an example. Hey, get what the problem? Obi, I'm not leaving you. Can you imagine? See what I'm saying? How can you leave this village? Huh? You don't wake up to them, Bobby. Oh, I'm not known. You know the problem be far better than this family. What kind of problem that this people should cut me out? Or you want to kill anybody? Can't kill. Don't use my neck as an example, or use square down.
Vincent, is this not Eliza?
Yes, she's Eliza. Are you surprised to see her here? She's been in one of my rooms for days now. What's that?
Vincent, what is going on?
Nothing is going on. Does it look like anything is going on? Everything is okay. Very, very okay. Yeah? Everything is going on.
Vincent, please, can I have a word with you?
Mama, she'll keep you company.
My dad yeah. It's your food. It's sweet, well. My dada. You find way. It's sweet. This food is sweet, well.
Let's go inside. Let's go inside the room. Let's go and play.
Yes, Mama, yes. I'm following her inside the room and play. Yes.
Come, Mama. But do you want me to come with the food?
Yes, come with the food. Feed her upstairs.
You like it?
And before you go, Sean, did you lock the door?
No, I didn't lock it. Any problem?
No problem. I'll lock it myself.
Let's go inside and dance. Let's go inside and dance.